quiet. Robert, stay awake. You want to be after school to watch this video? Hi, I'm Ryan Young, aka BAM!
I'm Nate Landenwich, aka Wee Man.
I'm Austin Strauss, aka Steve-O.
I'm Kyle Gregory, aka Johnny Knoxville, and this is our physics project. I'm Johnny Knoxville, and this is Steve-O, and this is Collision.
There are two types of collisions, elastic and inelastic. Johnny Knoxville and Steve-O created an elastic collision. Because Johnny Knoxville had more velocity and mass, he sent Steve-O back farther.
Hey, I'm BAM! And this is Newton's third law. For every action, there's an opposite equal reaction. The ball serves as the action force, and a spring chair serves as the reaction force. This is Newton's third law.
I'm Wee Man.
And I'm BAM!
And this is friction.
In this example of friction, there is a hardwood and a carpet floor. Friction is the resistance relative to motion. Since the hardwood floor had less resistance, the ball kept moving in motion. And since the carpet had more friction, the ball came to a stop.
I'm Johnny Knoxville,
And I'm BAM!
and this is Hang Time.
BAM demonstrated hang time, which is the amount of time spent in the air by dunking over Johnny Knoxville. BAM ran at approximately 2 meters per second and jumped and stayed in the air for about 1.2 seconds.
Hi, I'm BAM! And this is projectile motion. Projectile motion is an object's curved path with only the force of gravity acting on it. A trajectory is the path an object takes over projectile motion. Since I threw the ball at a 45-degree angle, the distance was increased to its maximum possibility.
I'm Wee Man, and this is potential and kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy is the energy in motion, while potential energy is the energy stored in readiness for it to do work.
And in this example, Wee Man dropped the ball with 100 potential energy, and halfway through, it got to 50 potential and 50 kinetic, and at the bottom of its path, it got to 100 kinetic and 0 potential.
Wild card! I'm BAM. And this is free fall. In free fall, the only force acting on the object falling is gravity. There is no air resistance. The acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters per second squared. The elapsed time of the ball was 2 meters per second, so its final acceleration was 20 meters per second squared.
And this is acceleration and velocity.
Steve-O was driving his car at a constant velocity of 2 miles per hour and BAM threw the snowball with an acceleration of 2 meters per second. When the snowball hit the car, the acceleration was stopped.